Hi, this is Pradeepa Jayaraj. I'm here to present my final year research project for evaluation. The topic which I have chosen is enhancing online animal adoption speed via machine learning. So the problem undertaken here is overpopulation of stray dogs is a serious threat to human life, which may include of road traffic accidents or dog bites, and as well they live a miserable life. Therefore, this research is conducted for the well-being of stray dogs to find their forever homes. There are three major methods to control overpopulation, which include of sterilization, euthanization, and adoption. According to researchers, it has been stated that adoption has been the most popular and ethical way of reducing stray population. There are two major groups which carry out adoption. One could be the animal shelters and another could be a normal user, whoever who rescues a stray from a street. There can be difficulties faced when a normal person tries to keep the pet for a longer period of time. As well, the animal shelters might also face difficulties in managing their resources when dealing with such influx of animals. Therefore, the adoption process needs to be enhanced. There are two major methods to carry out adoptions. One is carrying out adoption days and another could be posting the animal profiles online. And as well, it has been stated that 60% of adoptions are carried out through online. Therefore, the research question which I am putting forward here is how artificial intelligence can guide users to enhance the speed of online adoptions. So, I will be explaining my research contribution over here. Past researchers only have statistical analysis on the factors affecting the adoption speed, which can be age, gender, color, breed, picture, description of the animal profile which are being posted. But the factors which can be controlled can only be pictures and description. Due to research time limitation, I will be sticking only to pictures. There have been researchers stated that posting influential photos can enhance the online animal adoption speed. Therefore, I have come up with a solution to develop an automated computerized approach to predict the adoption speed of an image to enhance the adoption process. So the automated computerized approach, what it does is it predicts the adoption speed of an input image. Adoption speed in the sense the time it takes to adopt that particular dog. So the adoption speed is categorized into four groups which I will be explaining while I am showing the demo. So this will be my high level diagram of the proposed solution. So over here I am creating a model. The model is the computerized approach. It will be trained with a set of data and it will be integrated in a web application. So the user will use the web application to upload the picture of the dog, and the application will predict the adoption speed and display the adoption speed on the user interface. So the computerized approach will be developed using convolutional neural network, which is an AI based model. As this is a fine-grained classification, identifying the ideal pre-trained model is very necessary. So after carrying out a lot of trial and error methods, I was able to identify that the MobileNet has worked best for this solution. So I have fine-tuned the MobileNet model by using a dense layer of 1024 neurons and a dropout layer of 0.5 and another final layer which will be the prediction layer, which is also a dense layer with the number of classes. So here the number of classes will be 4 because I am categorizing the adoption speed into 4 groups. So this will be the architecture of the system. It is composed of 3 layers: data tier, logic tier and presentation tier. The user uploaded image will be sent to the pre-processing module. So here the pre-processing module, what it does is it pre-processes the user input image and it will be sent to the prediction module. So inside the prediction module, the pre-processed image will be fed into the model to make the prediction. So the prediction includes a probability of classes which it belongs to. So for example, let us say one image might have a probability that it belongs to the first group of class for about 0.7 and to the second group of class 0.3. So the prediction needs to be decoded, therefore it is sent to this particular module and the decoded prediction will be displayed on the presentation tile. So the object of techniques, generating technique module, visualizing dashboard, it is for it is because in my prototype I have developed a dashboard which will show the results of pre-trained models and why I have chosen MobileNet. So these are the technologies which I have used in order to create my web application. So now let's jump into the demo. So this is the application which I have developed. So as I said, I am categorizing the adoption speed into 4 groups which consist of super fast, fast, medium, low. So if an prediction is super fast, it is said to be the adoption is most likely to be in 1 week. Okay, so this is the overall concept. So now let us see. I'm dropping this image. So the user might think that this image is ideal to post and it might get adopted. But when you check, the adoption score is very low. So what the user tries to do is he might modify the picture. He might use an alternative picture to enhance the adoption speed of this particular dog. So this is the overall idea of this project. This will help in guiding the user to post influential pictures. So if we take a very clear picture or a very cute picture, the adoption speed will be super fast. So this is the overall motive of this project. The motive is to guide users in order to post the influential photos online. So thank you for watching this video. I will be providing a questionnaire along with this video. Please take some of your valuable time to give me your feedback. Thank you.